There's going to be a big event in the XRP market soon. The XRP ETF and regulation times have been set. This could be the start of big changes for Ripple and its token. Ripple and XRP users have finally been given official dates for events that could change the future of XRP in ways that many people never thought possible. The news sets the stage for a new era in the world of cryptocurrencies. If you own XRP, you won't want to miss what's coming up. This could be the start of a big change for XRP as it gets more attention from institutions and clear rules are put in place. We may be closer than ever to seeing XRP really take off in the masses if everything goes as planned. What does this mean for people who own XRP? How could these updates cause big changes in the market? Let's talk about what this news might mean and why it's so important right now. It's big news that the XRP ETF and regulation times have been changed, but what do these changes mean? First, let's look at the XRP ETF. For those who are interested, an exchange traded fund ETF is a financial fund that can be bought and sold on stock exchanges just like regular stocks, metals, and now cryptocurrencies like XRP are some of the things that it holds. There would be an XRP ETF that would let investors buy shares without having to buy or keep XRP directly. Why does this matter for XRP? If there were an XRP ETF, it would be easy for institutional and regular investors to get into XRP without having to deal with the complicated world of crypto wallets and exchanges. This could bring in more cash, make it easier for more people to trade in XRP, and most importantly, make it more visible in the mainstream financial market. This is great news for people who own XRP. When more institutional money goes into the XRP ETF, there will be more demand for XRP. This could cause its price to rise and its market to become more stable. Also, the ease of access that an ETF provides could make XRP more appealing to people who would rather trade in the stock market than buy and hold cryptocurrencies. It's not just about buying XRP. It's also about letting in a lot more investors, which could have a big effect. The XRP ETF is only a part of the puzzle, though. What about the times for the rules? Getting official dates for regulations is just as important as clear laws are necessary for XRP to grow in the future. It means that the laws surrounding XRP are becoming clearer, which will make it easier for investors and banking institutions to use. The market will have a better idea of XRP's legal status after these times, which will make it easier for banks and businesses to add it to their payment system. This means that a lot of banks might start using XRP, which is very important for its long-term success. Confirming these times gives XRP holders the peace of mind they've been waiting for. It's also a big step toward XRP becoming a more widely used digital asset in the global economy. What does the XRP ETF and regulation dates mean? Let's look more closely at how these changes will affect XRP's future. The XRP ETF is to attract a lot of institutional buyers, which could cause huge price changes. This could be the thing that drives XRP's value up because it will make investing easier for people who have been hesitant to do so because owning and trading cryptocurrencies directly is hard to understand. It's possible that liquidity will rise once the XRP ETF goes live, and as big institutional investors start to buy XRP, the market depth will improve. In the eyes of financial companies looking for safe digital assets to support prospector payments, this would make XRP more appealing and stable. This is where XRP really shines when you want to send money across borders. As more buyers get involved with XRP, the price could go up because more people will want to buy it. At the same time, the confirmation of the rule gives XRP's future even more security and security aspects of it. The XRP will have a more stable legal position if the rules are made clear, which will increase investor confidence. Because there isn't a clear set of rules about cryptocurrencies yet, states and financial institutions have been slow to add them to their systems. But once there are clear rules in place, XRP will be able to grow and fit in better with the world's financial system. This is especially true for banks and payment providers that want a quick and easy way to send money to other countries. The clear regulatory system will also help make people less worried about the future of XRP. Once rules are set, XRP could quickly form relationships with big names in banking and finance. This could strengthen its position as a currency that can be used for transactions across borders. As more companies join forces with Ripple, more people will want to buy XRP, which will raise its value. People who own XRP have a lot to be happy about with all these changes. But will the price rise happen as quickly as some people think it will? Let's look at how the market might react to these news releases and what short and long-term price changes buyers can expect. Now that the dates for the XRP ETF and regulatory changes are set, it's clear that the price of XRP could change a lot in the short and long run. Now, the real question is when and how high could the price of XRP go? In the short term, the market is likely to react right away when the ETF goes live and legal clarity starts to set in. For those big investors who can get XRP more quickly through the ETF, demand might go through the roof. This sudden rise in demand, especially from big players, could cause prices to rise quickly, like what happened when big institutions started to show interest in major cryptocurrency. As more institutions start to use XRP and Ripple's relationships grow, a lot of new money could come into the market, which could drive up the price of XRP. A lot of experts think that the price of XRP could go up and hit new levels of resistance. As institutional buyers continue to buy XRP, some people are even thinking that the price could hit a new all-time high. If you look at the big picture, XRP's growth over the next few years will depend on how clear the rules are. As Ripple forms more relationships with global banks, payment providers, and even governments, XRP will likely be used for a lot more international payments. XRP could be in high demand for a long time because of this rising use case. As more institutions adopt it, the XRP could slowly rise and maybe even go over $10. Cryptocurrencies are always volatile in the short term, but XRP's long-term chances look better than ever. With clear rules, more participation from institutions, and Ripple's growing list of partnerships, XRP will become more useful in the financial system. Prices could keep going up for years to come because of this, but it's important to keep in mind that XRP's path is not risk-free. Even though its strengths are clear, the market isn't always stable, and things like the state of the global economy or new rules and regulations could still have an effect. Even though we're hopeful about XRP's future, buyers should always stay up to date and ready for anything that might happen. What should people who own XRP do now that all of these great changes are coming? To stay ahead of the curve, let's look at what XRP buyers should keep an eye on over the next few months. If you own XRP, there are a few important things you should keep an eye on in the next few months to stay ahead of the game and make smart choices. Now that the XRP ETF and regulatory dates are set in stone, it's clear that XRP is moving into a new phase. But there are a few important changes you should keep an eye on if you want to get the most out of your investment. To begin, keep